everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on selling ebooks. You don't need to be a published author or have any writing experience. I'm going to show you how to create and market your own ebook and how to make money from it. Stay tuned. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. If you want to create your own ebook and sell it on your own website, you'll need to come up with a topic that you're interested in and knowledgeable about. Once you have a topic, you'll need to write a book proposal and a sample chapter. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of resources online that can help you. Once you have your ebook written, you'll need to create a website and design a landing page to promote your book. You'll also need to create a sales page and pricing strategy. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of resources online that can help you. If you want to sell ebooks on an online marketplace such as Amazon, you'll need to create a book cover and write a book description. You'll also need to create an Amazon listing and set your prices. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of resources online that can help you. If you want to promote other people's ebooks and earn a commission for every sale that you make, you'll need to create a website and design a landing page to promote your ebook. You'll also need to create a sales page and pricing strategy. You'll also need to find ebooks to promote and set up affiliate links. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of resources online that can help you. The first way to make money on selling ebooks is to create your own. This can be a bit challenging, but it's definitely doable. You'll need to come up with an idea for an ebook, write the content, and design the cover. Once you have all of that done, you can start selling it on your own website. There are a few different online marketplaces that you can sell your ebooks on. Amazon is the most popular, but there are also a few other options like Barnes & Noble, Kobo, and Smashwords. When you sell your ebook on an online marketplace, you'll need to create a listing for it. This will include a description of your book, the price, and some images. You'll also need to decide what royalty rate you want to offer your customers. Amazon, for example, offers a 70% royalty rate for books that are priced between $2.99 and $9.99. Once your ebook is listed, it will be available for purchase by customers all over the world. When someone buys your book, the online marketplace will handle all of the payments and delivery. There are a number of ways to make money by selling ebooks online. One way is to write your own ebook and sell it on your own website or through an online store. Another way is to sell ebooks as a part of an affiliate program. This involves promoting someone else's ebook and earning a commission for every sale that you make. This is a great option if you're not interested in writing your own ebook. You can find a lot of great ebooks to promote online. So, those are 3 ways that you can make money selling ebooks. Hopefully, one of these methods will work for you. Thanks for watching.